Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add mirror 3 layers on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps, and after this, in here you can add the photo or the video that you want to edit. And now after this, you can click on the effect at the bottom. This one, click on it, and after this, in here you just click on the video effect. And at the menu you can swipe until you can see split, this one, and after this in here you can click on the mirror 3 layers, and now you can click on the check icon at the top. Now you can adjust the effect, so you can click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust for the vertical shift and then for the filter. And after this in here you can click check icon at the bottom, and now you can set the effect until the end of the video and finish. So that's how to add mirror 3 layers on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment and subscribe down below. Bye bye.